Belgian company FN Herstal has confirmed its selection to supply FN SCAR HPR precision rifle in 7.62mm NATO caliber with fixed buttstock to the French Army in conjunction with the FPSA, Fusil de précision semi-automatic precision rifle program in France. The contract for the FPSA program will also include the acquisition of 2,600 semi-automatic precision rifle, 1,800 rifle scope, 1,000 thermal imaging systems, and 6.3 million of 7.62mm ammunition. The Belgian company OIP sensor system will supply the night vision optics. The FN SCAR HPR precision rifle for the French Army will be delivered with Schmidt & Bender optics, sound suppressor, bipod, carrying bag and sets of accessories. Each weapon will be delivered with 4 magazines of 20 rounds and 2 of 10 rounds.